All right, guys. So we're going to be hacking a WEP security protocol today. And you can see I've already run a few different commands from a different setup. ifconfig shows the interfaces. And now you can see I'm going to get ready to type airmon ng, and we're going to be switching the external wireless adapter into monitor mode. By typing in airmon ng start WLAN 0, and that will switch our wireless adapter into monitor mode, and it'll actually change the interface name from WLAN 0 to WLAN 0 MON. And now we're going to do arrow dump -ng WLAN 0 mon. And now we're going to be able to see all of the different networks that it's able to pick up. And at this point, we're just trying to grab the MAC address of lab-Wi-Fi. That is the Wi-Fi network that I set up on this router that I'm using for these testing purposes. And you can see it kind of up towards the top. There we go. It ends in alpha 3. You can push Control C if it's moving around too much, and that'll just stop any new input. And then you can copy that. We're going to open up a new terminal. Now we're going to run arrow dump -ng -w, and we're going to write, and what this is going to do, this is going to create a capture, like a Wireshark capture, a packet capture, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in a little bit. And it's going to do a packet capture of all traffic, and that -c means channel, and that is the wireless channel. So we're going to see channel 4 with BSSID, and we're going to paste the MAC address that we grabbed from Lab Wi-Fi on the previous terminal. Now we're going to type in the interface name, and I left out a hyphen on the double hyphen, so we're just going to go back, and I'm going to pretend like that never happened and add in another hyphen. Make sure I didn't make any more mistakes. Oh yeah, channel 6, that's why. Perfect. Now this is going to start capturing packets, intercepting, as you can see, the beacons up towards the top is incrementing upwards as it grabs and captures these packets, and it's saving them into the default save location. We didn't have to specify a file path, so we just had the -w lab Wi-Fi, and that's going to be the capture name. Now, the more beacons, the higher the likelihood of being able to actually break WEP. Now, it takes quite a bit. This demo is going to be probably between 20 and 25 minutes long if I didn't cut it down to size. So, what this capture is doing is logging all of the different packets it's able to collect, and we're going to run another command in a new command window. And that's going to be aircrack ng. capture name lab Wi-Fi, and it's actually going to come out as lab Wi-Fi-01.cap. So anything you put in there, add a -01.cap and capture file. And now it is trying to crack the WEP encryption based on the number of data, which is right next to beacons. Right now it says 15 IVs. And we need quite a few more. So it's going to have to wait a bit. And so I'm going to fast forward. And now if you look up towards the top, you'll see the number data is actually at 13,000, and the magic number is somewhere around 15,000. And we're going to be coming up on that here pretty quick. So I'll let us get back to that and fast forward and see you at the end. Well, as you can see, the magic number was 15,055, and we were able to successfully crack WEP. And without all the fast forwards, it took about 20 minutes start to finish for this entire demo. And now you can see how easy that was.